Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketers for beginner part 5 always provide value. You definitely want to pay close attention to this message because this helped me out in my business and it really helped me out in my personal life as well, provide value. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. You know who this is. This is Shelton, and we're going to deep down this topic of affiliate market for beginner part 5, always provide value. Now, let's do a short recap of all the videos that we did in this series. Now, part 1, we talk about mindset and mentorship and coaching. So when you first sign up, when you first start your online marketing journey, you want to work on your mindset and get to the right mentor and coach. Then the second thing you want to do is part 2 in the series. We talked about the right system, the right online marketing system. So you want to find a system that you connect with. You want to find a system you think is going to give you value and you can become profitable. You have that right type of system. Now, part 3, we talk about traffic and leads. You definitely need traffic inside your business and you need leads to funnel your list. You need to build an email list or build a list that way that's building your business. Now, part 4, we talked about follow up and then closing those particular or those prospects. So you definitely want to follow up with your customers from that list. You want to know how to communicate with that list, and you want to go ahead and close those lists as well. Now, part 5 is always provide value. Now, this is one of my favorite parts because your customer is going to need you to provide content and value on an almost daily basis. You should be providing marketing value, positive value every single day because your customers, you want to treat them like family. So you want to listen to them and give them what they need, the type of training and the type of tools for them to be successful. So you also want to direct them in the right direction. So you want to direct them in the right training videos. You want to direct them to the right webinar. You definitely invite them to the right type of PDF training, any type of training or mentorship or even type of value. You want to provide that to your list and you want to provide it to your prospects, right? Because it's just me and you talking here because I know what it's like. This is probably your first time in the online marketing journey, or you've been around the block for a while and you just stumble across this video and you're like, wow, I definitely need to provide more value to my list and to my brand and to the particular in the future prospect. You always want to be growing yourself, providing value and good positive content, because those customers, they're going to look at you in terms of answering their problems. You want to be the solution to the problem. So you always want to be invest into yourself for you'll get the knowledge to invest and help out those customers and the future prospects. Now, I have a value and content for you. Right below this video, I have a link that will direct you to this unbelievable online marketing opportunity. And get this, 7-day free trial. You can get signed up immediately and you can go right to training. Now, this system has helped so many people become successful. And I want to tell you something. This system has excellent training and coaching, and if you being part of my team, I will definitely help you out in terms of anything you need in terms of growing your business, because it's about you. Once again, I'm providing value, I'm providing content for you because that's what it's like. That's what you do. That's what you're supposed to do. Provide value to the next person. Remember, learn, do, teach. So click on the link below so you can get started on this unbelievable online marketing value, online marketing opportunity, and we can go ahead and get started. Remember, 7-day free trial. Go ahead and get signed up. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. We're closing out part 5. Always provide value for your prospects and your customers. Affiliate markets for beginner. Don't forget to click on the link below to go ahead and get started. And I can't wait to see you on the next video.